Hey YouTube, I'm not going to do a quick kind of fun video here. I have this cheap safe from Amazon. I don't know how to say the brand name, so I'm going to put the info up on the screen here. And you'll notice that it does have almost 20,000 reviews, so I guess a lot of these are out in the world. The problem with it is you can actually open it with a magnet. And so that's what we're going to do here. I've got a magnet about the size of a hockey puck. Very heavy, very dangerous. But it will open the safe here. I just want to show you right now it is locked. It does work. I'm going to make a video too picking this tubular lock because it can be very hard to pick. I'll show you that it does work, and we'll lock it back up here. So it is locked. And then to get it open here, I'm just going to put my magnet into a cloth bag here so I can drag it around on the safe here to get it open. And what's going on is we got an actuator right there. And it's spring loaded, which keeps it locked, and the magnet it's just strong enough to overcome the spring. So that's how this works here. There's no trickery or anything. It's just a bad design. All right, so get the magnet in my hand here, get my fingers out of the way, and here we go. And unlocked. Oh my gosh, thing's hard to get off. That easy, using a magnet here, and I'll just show you that it still works. You can lock it back. So you could actually do this over and over and over without somebody knowing, since you're not really breaking anything. I mean, it still functions. So we just open it in the safe, with a magnet. If you guys have any questions or anything about it, put them in the comments. And I guess that's all we got for this video. We'll talk to everybody later.